Hi, this is Nerfinator again, and this time instead of doing a review, we're doing a Nerf war. So this is going to be kind of small scale.
Hi.
The Nerf war is going to be just between me and my nephew Gabe. So here we go.
How about we tell you what guns we're using first?
Oh yes, I'm using the original In-Strike Maverick.
I'm using a modified paint job strong arm.
Yeah, which has some quirks. So
yeah, so when you shoot it,
it doesn't rotate when you shoot it, so you have to do like slam fire, rotate it, slam fire, rotate it. It gets a little annoying, but
yeah,
it works.
So you can't just cock it and fire. You have to do the slam fire
Yep.
in order to shoot.
So we've each got 3 darts apiece, and let's get to the Nerf war.
Okay. I know I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna be
That's
using
the
it.
hammer shot.
Yeah.
You used just one blaster, by the way.
I know.
And he's got all the barricades. So this ought to be interesting. Ready? Stop.
Even close to it.
All you gotta do is put 3 bullets in. Right?
Ready?
Alright. Here we go. Nerf war in 3, 2, 1, begin.
Hey, stop! I can't get a clear shot.
Exactly. Woo! Darn it. Whoa! Gotcha!
No, I've still got 1 bullet. Oh, gotcha.
You did indeed. But guess what? Now I've got 4.
Huh? Look at 1. Ha ha! Didn't fire. Wait a minute.
Whew, that was close. Crud. Just 1 dart left.
Oh.
Yeah! I got the Green Goblin.
Yeah.
Woo! That was close. I got him again. I'm out.
I'm not.
Oh, crud. Time to start dodging and weaving. Ba-ba-da-da-da-da. Adios. Oh, yeah, my arm. Woo!
Oh, wait a minute. I'm giving you bullets. Oh.
Yeah, you are.
Once I shoot you, you'll be out.
Oh!
Gotcha! I win. I've got you the most times.
You were saying?
Yeah.
And you're out of darts.
You win. Let's get our darts back.
That's a modified Maverick.
That thing hurts. Don't try to get a Nerf war with that guy.
Just so you know, we're using Chinese darts. It's the kind you get in bulk for like $20. You get like 400 of them on eBay. They're not all that sturdy. I mean, they could use some more super glue, but they have like insanely hard tips, so those suckers hurt. So,
I need one more
pardon my
bullet.
language. I'm sorry I said that.
Huh? What?
Buggers, I meant to say. So, This is a very painful Nerf war, at least his part. Both of these guns were actually modded. I've got my modified Maverick. That's a modified hammer shot.
I like the hammer shot.
The hammer shot, it's a real simple mod. All I did was take out the air restrictors. This is my fully modded Maverick. You can check out the mod guide that I posted on my channel. Real simple. Real nice to mod. So this has been our Nerf war.
Let's do another one!
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment in the comments below. As always, this is Nerfinator and Planet Gabe
Signing
signing
off.
off.